Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Huffman Code. It's really simple. So what you want to do first is you want to count all of your characters that you have. For in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to write here that we have 10 characters. Then I'm just going to copy something real quick from up here. We're going to write the following. We're going to do a little box here. We're going to count all of our letters. So we want to find all of the letters here. So in this case we have E, so we have E here, and that's the only E we have, so we can write that E is equal to 1. Oops. Now we're going to do the same thing for all the rest of these, how you call this, boxes or letters, you want to call, whatever you want to call them. So you just duplicate this, give enough space for this. There you go. So U, for example, we have two U's. We have one U here, one U there. So U, we can say it's equal to 2. Then C is equal to 1. Then A is equal to 1. Then L is equal to 1. Y equal to 1 as well. P and T and S, 1. PT, and S are going to be equal to 1. So there we go. We have everything just as that. Now we can do the following. We can just remove this. And now what we want to do is we want to order this so it's the biggest is to the right. So in this case, the only thing that we have to change is a 2. Now, what we want to do here is basically taking the last two numbers and adding them up. So in this case, we're going to take the last two numbers here. If we do this, we're just going to do that. And if I just put another color, we say, okay, we're here now. Now we can do the same thing for over here. Right here, I'm just skipping some steps, but basically what you want to do is first, you want to add these two, this one and this one, and you're going to get 2. And then you're going to put that 2, I'll just elaborate here. I'll show you. So instead of skipping steps, I'll just do it for you guys so you guys can understand. So you got right here 2, right? That we have here, and we have 2. So now we're going to move this whole thing to the right. We're going to shift it to the right, and we're going to have it next to our U. However, we still have this whole things over here. We still have this all other boys here, meaning we have to move this over here. Moment, it's actually wrong. There we go. So now we can move all the other things over here, and we can have it like so, right? We can have it like so, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other last two, and then the last two and the last two. So if we can skip this, we can just simply say that we're gonna have the following. I'm gonna duplicate it and put it over here, so we have enough space. I'm gonna take the 2. We have 2 here, and 2 here, and then 2 here, right? And then at the end we have these 2 here as well. So now you want to take the last 2 again, so meaning these 2 guys, and sum them up. So that'll give us 4. So we can simply write like so. 4, right? We're going to copy this. I'll put it right here, I suppose. Yeah, right there. Put it like so, and like so, right? So now that we have this, we can just leave it as so, and we're gonna do the same thing with this last 2 over here. So at the end, we're gonna get basically another 4. So just copy this, and just copy these 2, right? We're gonna get the same thing, so to speak. And at the end of the day, well, actually no. No, yeah, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna have 4 and 4, and then we're gonna have still the 2. That's U. So let's put it here. Now the U is gonna add up with this guy, so we're gonna have 6, right? So let's put it here. 6. We're going to copy this just as so. And then we're going to put this guy here. And then we're going to move this over here. And this one goes here. Right? So now we're going to add the last row, so to speak. So at the end, we're going to get, if I'm correct, we're going to get 10. So let's write 10. We're going to write it here. I'm going to put it over down here. Okay, cool. Like so. And we can do the following like so. And look at that. We are done with our exercise. But now we want to like prove that it's not an optimal code. And to do that, we can do the following. We're going to take these two tables. We're going to copy them because they're already done, like created, so to speak. So let's do paste here. Let's do it over here now. Zeichen. The entropy is nicht so wichtig jetzt. Just leave it there. No, hold on. Like so. We put this guy here. That's following. I'm going to write this one over here. And now we're going to write our letters again from the biggest to the smallest. So in this case, it's going to be U and then ST. So USTP. Let's write them real quick. STP. USTP. YLA. Right? And then YLA CE. Perfect. CE. So now, before we can find the code, we have to actually give in our numbers. So remember, to the left is going to be just zeros and to the right ones. So, just like so. Right? So now we can actually write the codes, which in this case for U, to get U, we only need 1 0. Right? Because we get basically, yeah, 1 and then to 0. And to get S, we need to go 0 0 1. 0 0 1, and then T is going to be 0 0 0. And then P is going to be 1 1 1 1, just 4 ones. Then Y is going to be 1 1 1 0. Then L is going to be 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. No, 1 1 0 1. 1 0 1. Then A is going to be 1 1 0 0. And then C is going to be basically 0 1 1, I think. Yeah, C is 0 1 1. So let's do that. 0 1 1. And then E is 0 1 0. So now we can just write the code length. This will be 3, 3. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 4, 4, 4, 3, 3. So now we want to find the code length times the amount of Zeichen we have. In this case, for U, we have only 2 times because we only have 4, we only have 2 times the U, and the rest are just ones. So we can just multiply them by themselves. So you can say 3 times 4 is going to be 12, right? And then 4 times 4 is going to be 16. So 16 and 12 is going to be 28, plus 4 is going to be 32, basically. So we can say total is 32. 32 bits. However, this is not the how you call this, the most optimal solution. As the optimal solution, as we said, is the entropy. And to find that, we're going to do the following. Just copy this, P. We're going to write here 2 of 10, so meaning 1/5. And then 1 of 10, 1 of 10. I'm going to copy this once again. I'll just copy this, yep, just like so. Yep, there we go. So now that we have this, we can say, hey, we have H now. And to find h, we need to do the LD1 over P formula. So let's do that. 1 and then 1/5. Oops, what I'm basically writing in my calculator is the following. I'm writing logarithm 2 of 1 and then 1/5. And that's going to give me 2.32, right? Now for 110, this is going to be what? 3.32. So I'm going to take this 3.32, multiply it, duplicate it here. Oopsie daisy, okay, there we go. And there we go. Okay, perfect. Now that we have this, we can simply find the entropy, which is quite easy. It's basically h times the amount of times we have u. So we have 2 times u, so 2.32 times 2 is going to give us 4.64. And then we have all these 3.32 just once, so we just multiply them by how many 3.32 we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 times 8 is going to be 26. This is going to be 26. 26.56. So we do that plus 4.64 is going to give me the total of 31.2 bits. And that is how you actually solve the thing. You have seen that, as you can see, the Huffman code is not optimal. It's 32 bits, but it's not 31.2 bits, which is the most optimal code we can get. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the Huffman code. And yeah, thanks for watching.